Hey, this is Scott with Spring Hill Fox. Welcome back. And today we're going to talk about one of the most popular social media platforms of our time, Instagram. And more importantly, we'll discuss how you can turn your Instagram presence into a source of income. So if you ever wondered how you can make money on Instagram, well, you've come to the right place, because we're going to talk about it. I'm going to break it all down for you, so that way it'll be easier for you. Get out there and start making some money on Instagram. Alright, don't forget to hit that share, that like, and hit that bell, and on with the show, and let's have some fun.
Content creation. Content is king on Instagram. High quality photos, videos, engaging captions, and essential. Be authentic and consistent in your content. Share your stories, experiences, and expertise. Use hashtags to increase visibility and connect with like-minded individuals. Showcase a variety of content types. 4. Growing your followers. Building a substantial following is crucial for making money on Instagram. Engage with the audience, collaborate with others in your niche, and use shoutouts, contests, giveaways to attract new followers. Now let's dive into the exciting part. How to make money on Instagram. Sponsored posts. Brands pay you to create content featuring their products or service. You got affiliate marketing, promoting products and earn a commission on sales generated through your affiliate links. Sell your products or service. Use your Instagram platform to promote and sell your products or service. Instagram shop. Set up an Instagram shop for direct sales. Freelancing and consulting. Use your expertise to offer services to other businesses. Offer online courses or ebooks. Share your knowledge by creating and selling digital products. Number 6, tips for success. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips for success. Be patient and stay consistent. Keep up with Instagram's latest features and updates. Engage with the audience, respond to comments, and build a community. Network with others in your niche. Track your analytics and adjust your strategy accordingly. Making money on Instagram is possible but requires dedication, hard work, and creativity. So start today, build your brand, and watch your Instagram journey unfold. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to springhillfox.com and hit that notification bell and stay up to date for more valuable content. If you have any questions or want to share your Instagram success stories, comment below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video. Peace out. Scott.